We got Morrison with the sign. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to day one of driving on the Alaska Highway.
We're not driving right now.
No, we just woke up in the Walmart parking lot in
Grand Prairie.
scary Grand Prairie.
Good old scary Grand Prairie. Had a nice homeless man with a bag of bottles 4 feet from the van last night, eyeing up our bikes until he saw my face poking out of the window.
But we're on our way to go shower at the local community center. It's our last shower for probably like a week.
Forever.
And the showers are $1.75 a person, unlimited, so we're gonna take advantage of that. And then hit the road and go to Dawson Creek, where mile 0 of the Alaska Highway is.
Heck yeah.
Carm, are you excited?
Yes.
Here's the lovely view this morning. And we stocked up on some Canadian goods. These are my favorite. So once we're in Alaska, if we have any Canadian friends on here, please mail me these. This place is huge. Giant shit show in here right now. Hey. But we're gonna get our shower stuff and then probably reorganize. But okay, see you when we're clean. Here's our first pit stop of the day. A giant 15-foot beaver. Woohoo! We're in Dawson Creek. So we're gonna go find this. And let's see. We have 4 more miles. Sweet.
Karma says hello. What are we doing, Mattea?
We are filling up all of our water jugs to drain this out, and then we're gonna dump her out and fill it up in Walmart.
Yeah, we're in Dawson Creek, the access point to the Alcan highway.
So every time that we empty our water jug, the place that we try to go to doesn't have any water. So there's no water here.
Of course.
Which means now we don't have any water besides what's in our water bottles. And on the app that we use, iOverlander, it doesn't show any water for a while. But that's okay.
There's a water fountain down the road from here that we're gonna go use.
But don't judge us, but we're eating Chef Boyardee out of a can, which is like one of my favorites. Yeah, there's 2 things I love in life. Cold SpaghettiOs and cold beef ravioli. So one of our friends suggested that we should try a crunchy bar. And Mike just took the first bite, but it looks like styrofoam.
Toffee styrofoam.
That's weird.
It's kind of like a Butterfinger.
Whoa. Yeah, this is really good.
Yeah.
Sponge toffee. Cadbury makes it. Oh my god. We gotta stock up on these. Yay, here we are. So cool.
I'm gonna put a sound sticker.
We're gonna pull in. Oh my god, we've only seen this building in photos for like a really long time. So cool. We got Morrison with the sign. So exciting. We just met some really awesome people. We only have 1,000 more miles. So Walmart didn't have water, and the place on the map also, it was just like a water fountain. So we found a campground, and I asked them really nicely if we could have some drinking water. So they let us come into the RV park, and we're gonna fill up our jug here. The next place to get water isn't for like another 6 hours, so this really helps. Thanks, mile 0 parking campsite. Nice. This is, gotta find the book, hang on. This is the Peace River Bridge. It's the longest water span in the Alaska Highway, metal grating bridge deck. Wow.
Peace River.
Cool. Dawson Creek was limited by the Peace River crossing, where 2 ferries with a capacity of 10 trucks per hour were operating in May.
Driving on this is weird. Very squirrely. I'd hate to drive on when it was like wet or frozen.
Oh, I know. Yeah, it's frozen. The windshield is so dirty.
Lots of bugs.
But this is all we've been looking at for the past forever.
Lots of nothing.
Lots of pipelines, logging roads, and I've been following along in the book still. But we have 1.8 kilometers until we're turning, and we're gonna go find some abandoned campground that we're gonna stay in. I don't know, I found it online.
Radio call.
Cool. Here we go.
Oh, I don't have a radio, but we'll just suck it.
Well, we just found a gas plant. Holy, it's huge. I guess we're not really in the middle of nowhere.
No. Pipeline.
Oh, there's someone camped.
There's more than one side.
Well, there's at least one other person here.
Yeah. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
Yeah, I know. Nice. There are like little spots with picnic tables.
Like nice picnic tables. This guy's got like a brand new Mercedes Unimog over here.
That's sweet. I want one. They're from Germany. Wow, this is so pretty. This is right next to our campsite.
That's the noise that they make though when they call to a mate.
All right, we're back to the van. There's like an oil person and a camper over there with a generator on. I assume he's just like staying here while he works. It's getting really buggy now, so we're gonna get the bed out.
Tonight on the menu, we have Make Gusto Arnable.
It's Alfredo.
Yeah, it's Alfredo with mushrooms and garlic sauce. Actually.
Yeah, we've never seen these before.
They're instant.
Yeah, it says shake the cup well, remove the lid halfway.
I'm excited.
I'm excited. This is our collapsible tea kettle. We go get some water.
Now we boil.
Plug it in. No. Now we wait 3 minutes for it to boil.
Went to a cannabis store, and you can buy not only pre-rolls, but like it's like a pack of cigarette pre-rolls. Who would have thought you'd see the day?
All right, she's almost boiling. That was in like 2 minutes.
The pasta was really, really good. The pasta was pretty good though. It wasn't quite Alfredo-y, but it was mushroomy and pretty good. So I gave it like a 7 out of 10.
Now there's 2 loons down there, and we're gonna go watch them. Nothing like the sound of a generator.
Nothing like it.
Hi.
Hello.
Thanks for watching.
The pasta was actually really good.
It was really good.
I was just tired from driving all day on the Alcan. But
Karma's tired too.
wiped.
But stay tuned for day 2 of driving the Alaska Highway to Alaska. I think we're going to a hot spring next.
Hopefully.
Stay tuned.